I take 1v1 this YouTuber. Let's look if he can win me. And stats knife on 1v1. By the way, we take in arena 1v1 knife. Let's take bow, daggers, knife and warhorn. I win 5-0, but that's very good game. Shout out to Nikke YouTube. Go surprise his channel. Shout out. Bye.